All right, we have talked about it, we have rumored about it, we have stalked it online, and the highly desired lineup at Wai Kai and Ewa Beach is opening super soon. By the time you guys see this, it's probably gonna be open to the public. But we're gonna give you an exclusive tour today. All the things you need to see inside. There's so many features, so many amenities, the views, the weather, the food. My gosh, you guys are so excited. Let's go inside and check it out. All right, so we just wrapped up this amazing tour of the new lineup in Wai Kai. I'm so excited for you guys to check it out. If you're planning a visit to Oahu, you're definitely gonna wanna try it. This is the biggest man-made wave pool ever, and it's so awesome that we have it here on the west side. So come on, check it out. I'm gonna have more information in the description below, and we'll talk soon. I'll see you soon.